Okay, then I will say 3 disk, number of disk. Then I will say left, center. Don't forget, constant you have to write with small letter and right, full stop. Then you can see move top disk from left to center, then left to right, center to right, left to center, right to left, right to center, and left to center. Okay. So this way, Tower of Hanoi also you can keep as a in a practical. Then animal verification. This is a big code. Animal verification. Ki whatever animal is there, you can ask series of question and then you can come to conclusion. So this also I will share with you all. So file, consult, animal verification, and it's it is starting with go. Okay. So I will just write type here go, full stop. So does the animal have following attribute? Has hair. If I said Y or S, anything, dot is required. Then it meets. If I said S dot tawny color, if I said S dot dark spot, if I said no dot black strips, if I said S dot, then I guess that animal is tiger. So this way you can, so whatever we think, that only comes as a Prolog program. One more thing, grade. So this is how we did in switch case. Switch we use in C. Similar way we can use here this particular concept. Okay. So I will say consult grade. Okay. Open. And if I say grade 75, comma X. Sorry, comma X. So grade C better than 70. Okay. Now semicolon grade D. So X equals to F. So here this is similar like a if you write switch case without break. Okay. So it gives whatever answer is there, from that it will show all. But same program if you write with cut, that is here, if you have to cut your search tree, whatever proof I have shown just now, that is a backtracking. If you have to cut that, then you can just use cut symbol. So I have written grade 2 with cut. So grade 1 was not having cut. This one, exclamatory mark, is nothing but cut. If I write now, if I say consult grade 2, and if I write grade 2 75, comma any variable you can write here, and if I say enter, so I got only grade C. Okay. So this cut is similar to break statement. Okay. So cut is also important thing here. If you have to cut your tree, whatever depth first search is there, if you have to stop that depth first search, then you can use cut symbol. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me.
So very detailed explanation from Poonam ma'am. Anybody, if they have any questions, we'll wait for 2-3 minutes for them to ask them.
Yeah,
You
I
can
have a
unmute
question.
yourself and ask the question.
I have a
Yes, ma'am.
question.
Yes.
Yeah, where is Prolog used?
Prolog used in AI, NLP, natural language processing. So whatever way we think, that only comes in AI. That is expert system. Even in expert system also AI comes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So even this Prolog and Java also they can mix and they can create a GUI using Java and they can use Prolog. That also one program I have, but it's 334. If you want, I will just show you how it works.
You can go ahead. No issue.
Yeah. So I have one program. So I will just give here. You have to write this path I have given for Prolog. So you have to just give here C drive. Whatever wherever Prolog is stored, that path we have to give. 1 second. I will
You can have your sound, ma'am.
So one file is there, that is a PL file is there in Prolog. So Prolog command, and then we can have a TTLPL where I have written tic tac toe, and you can just click. So one is user and one is computer playing. So whenever I click here, then automatically computer will play and computer one. So this way student can do using um, Java as well as this one PL. Okay, thank you.
But I guess that would be a too difficult thing for
Yes,
students
yes.
to
So
handle
that
at
is a
second year
self
level.
learning,
Yeah,
self
you can.
learning
Yeah,
topic,
you
sir.
can.
Yes.
Yeah, you can have that as a self-learning topic, and you may explain to some interested students. I- Any other person has any doubt?
Actually, there are so many things to tell, but due to time constraint, I could not explain each and everything. But prologue is easy,
Yes.
so you can just explore the things, and so many things are there. One site is there that is also good enough to explain to the student. That is learn prologue now. Learn prologue now. So there everything is mentioned: facts, rules, unification, and everything. Okay. So you can just I will just post that link also.
Yeah, you can post that in chat box,
Yes,
ma'am.
chat box only. I will post it.
Yeah, that will be helpful to the participants.
Hmm.
Uh, I guess I should thank Poonam Bari ma'am for giving us a good hands-on session on Prolog. With all efforts she has put in, we as a team member, we will definitely make sure that the contents which she shared through the slides as well as the codes that she has, we'll share that through the WhatsApp group. But I would also urge other faculty members as well, because we have to create some kind of e-content which will be helpful to everybody. So we should not limit only to the team members of the subject, but others also should contribute towards this particular task. And yeah, we'll be sharing most of the code and others. Thank you, Poonam ma'am.
Yeah.
Uh, I would guess
Thank.
we can take a 2 minutes break and we'll start this further session afterwards. So we'll take a 2 minutes break here itself and we'll start off with the next
Thank you.
session, that is on
Thank you, Anup
Introduction
sir,
to
for giving
Functional
me
Programming through
opportunity.
Haskell.
Thank you, Anup sir, for giving me
Hurry.
this opportunity. Sir, is there any uh, folder you are going to share with participants so that I will put that thing in that folder?
Yeah,
Sure.
sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
We'll do that after the meeting is
After.
over.
Yeah. Yes. Sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. We'll have a 3 minutes break, and we will. I guess it's 3:40 right now, so we'll start off the next section by 3:45. Uh, please be there. Till then, I'm muting. Breathe. We have to have some breather in between. John, ma'am, till others take some break, can you test your
Yeah, sir.
pre?
I will just present my entire desktop.
Yeah,
You can just check, okay? Yeah.
yeah. That is why I took a
Yeah,
break.
yeah. I never did it before, so I'll just do it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Mm, very slow. I clicked on share. Let's see. Okay.
I'll
Yeah,
let
yeah,
you
yeah.
know when it is seen. That is coming. Yeah, we are able to see your
Yeah,
desktop.
1 minute. I'll just see. You can see this PPT now?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Can you test?
I'm actually showing two different parts, one CMD command. So both you can see, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so I will show PPT
Yes,
here.
CMD
I
as well
just
as the
have six
PPT.
slides, yeah, and I want them to make here, in CMD. I mean, wherever they have this GSC compiler, na? Okay, so I hope so they have. Meanwhile, we
Yeah.
can message participants to install Haskell if you are not done, na? I'll just stop sharing,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
Uh,
I'll stop sharing. So yeah.